yun. Happy birthday, Julian. Si Jillian ay cute. Happy birthday, Jillian.
Uy, ba't may video? Uy, wait, birthday? Sino birthday? Si Jillian? Ay,
Oo.
describe Jillian in one word. Hot. Like your mama.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday! 18th birthday! Describe ko daw ikaw, kaya naisip ko kagad si Teng. Kasi alam ko natalo tayo sa UST, pero panalo ka pa rin sa puso ko. That's all!
Hi, Ate Jillian! Happy 18th birthday!
Si Ate Jillian, ano ba siya?
Siya ay isang Miss Independent.
Oh.
One word lang, di ba?
At fierce. Happy birthday!
Hi to Jillian. Happy birthday. One word. PL na lang kasi PL ka naman everyday. PL! PL!
Jillian! Siya po yung lovable ninang ko. Happy birthday, Jillian! Hi, the flawless Ate Jillian. Happy 18th birthday. God bless.
Hi Jillian, happy birthday. One word that best describes you is actually the word gullible. Kasi syempre gullible, sobrang energetic mo all the time and super happy, super ingay. Lahat ng mga ka-high friends mo nila. So, ayun, wish ko lang sana you would stay the same. Tsaka God bless. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Shelly! Hyper!
Happy birthday!
First word na may isip ko pag hindi mo binanggit or best word that describes sa'yo is weird. We have lots of friends na weirdo. Ikaw weird, ako weird. And dahil sa ka-weirdohan natin, doon tayo naging close lahat. And so, ayun lang. Stay weird as you are. Enjoy your day. Happy 18th birthday, girl. And that's all. Love you.
Yo! Hey Jillian, happy birthday. Ayun. Take care palagi. Aral ka mabuti. God bless. more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Take a beautiful girl and hide away from the rest of the world. I wanna be the one to walk in the sun.